Abby, is that your bunny on the floor? Bunny. Yeah. Here's your bunny. Do you give the bunny kisses? Do you love your bunny? I guess so. Here, let's put him down. Oh, I guess he goes on the floor. Okay. Yeah. You want me to pick it up? You want me to pick up your bunny? I'm not going to pick it up if you're just going to throw it back on the floor. Okay, I'll get it. Here. Here you go. Oh well. Oh. If you drop it, you won't have a bunny. I don't want your bunny. Do you want me to take it? Yes, you've dropped it again. Oh well, now you don't have a bunny. These are life lessons, Abby. If you drop the bunny, then you don't have a bunny. Camera. Camera. You want to get up? Should we go downstairs? Yeah? Okay, let's go.